Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Tastefully Home Cooked. Today we are going to be cooking some garbanzo beans or chickpeas. The first step is to give them a good rinse. I rinse them about 3 or 4 times and then I fill them with water all the way to the top of that container because they are going to be doubling in size very soon. And I let them rest for 8 hours, let them soak for about 8 hours. After soaking, you can see that they have doubled in size, and then I'm going to remove that water and give them one last rinse. It's time to add them to our pressure cooker. You can use any pressure cooker of your preference. Just follow the instructions of what that particular manufacturer. I'm going to be filling the pot with water, and you should have about 1.5 to 2 inches of water above the beans. Make sure you don't overfill your pot. Again, follow the instructions of your particular model. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, and finally some bay leaves, and give it a good stir. The reason why we add olive oil is because the beans contain lectins, which create foam when they are boiling, and we don't want that to either clog the vent or create too much air inside the pressure cooker. Now we're going to close our pot, and we're going to put the weight on top of that vent and place our pot on the stove. We're going to start with high heat and watch carefully for the red pressure control little stick on my pressure cooker. That's how it looks like. That means it's building pressure little by little. So the pressure control is up. And now the weight is moving and rocking around pretty fast. As soon as you see that, you are going to reduce the heat to medium and ensure that it has a very soft and steady pace. You don't want it to rock too fast. At this point, when the pressure cooker has already built pressure, you're going to count about 25 minutes of cooking time. I like to cook my chickpeas a little bit longer so they are soft and tender. 25 minutes have passed and I have turned off my stove. It's time to remove my pressure cooker from the heat element and wait until that red pressure control has depleted completely, which means no more pressure. Please do not open the pressure cooker when there is pressure inside, or you're gonna have a very bad spill explosion on your kitchen. Now it's safe to remove the weight and safe to open the pressure cooker. I'll be removing some of the bay leaves that I can see picking through the top, and it's time to strain our delicious chickpeas into a bowl. Carefully remove some of the bay leaves as you see them. It's very hot. Be careful not to burn yourself. so many delicious recipes that you can create with chickpeas. You can make hummus, you can put them in salad, you can even eat them just like that, put them in a bowl, drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper, and it's just delicious. As you can see, when I squeeze them with my fingers, they are tender, soft, buttery, they're easy to squeeze. That's the way I like to cook my chickpeas, especially if I want to make hummus. And here you have them. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy more delicious home-style recipes. And as always, I want to wish you a fantastic and very blessed day. See you soon!